Reproduction in mammals. Mammals reproduce sexually, with females giving birth to live young after a period of gestation. The male produces sperm, which fertilizes the female's egg to form a zygote. The zygote then develops into an embryo, which is nourished by the mother through a placenta or yolk sac. Mammals can have a variety of reproductive strategies, including monogamy, polygamy, and promiscuity, and can exhibit a range of mating behaviors, from courtship displays to mate guarding. The male reproductive system. The male reproductive system consists of several organs responsible for the production, storage and delivery of sperm. These organs include 1. Testes. The two small oval-shaped testicles, situated in the scrotum, produce sperm and testosterone. 2. Epididymis. This coiled tube is located on top of each testis and stores immature sperm as they develop and mature. 3. Vas deferens. A tube that carries sperm from the epididymis to the seminal vesicles. 4. Seminal vesicles and prostate gland. Glands that produce secretions which mix with sperm to form seminal fluid. 5. Urethra. The tube that carries both semen and urine out of the body through the penis. 6. Penis. The external organ used for copulation, through which semen is ejaculated. The female reproductive system. The female reproductive system is a complex system of organs involved in the production of gametes, eggs, for fertilization, the development of fetuses, and the nourishment and delivery of babies. The major organs of the female reproductive system include 1. Ovaries. 2 small, almond-shaped glands that produce and release eggs. 2. Fallopian tubes. Tubes that transport the egg from the ovaries to the uterus for fertilization. 3. Uterus. A pear-shaped organ where the fertilized egg implants and a fetus develops. 4. Cervix. A narrow passage that connects the uterus to the vagina. 5. Vagina. A muscular canal that receives the penis during sexual intercourse and serves as a birth canal during childbirth. 6. Labia, clitoris, and vulva. External genitalia that protect and cover the female reproductive organs. The female reproductive system is also influenced by hormones produced by other glands such as pituitary, hypothalamus, and adrenal glands. Revision exercise. 1. State the functions of each of the following parts. A. Prostate gland. B. Scrotum. C. Cervix. D. Epididymis. A. The function of the prostate gland is to secrete a fluid that makes up a part of semen, providing nutrients and protecting sperm during ejaculation. B. The scrotum is a sac-like structure that holds and protects the testes, and helps regulate their temperature for optimal sperm production. C. The cervix is the lower part of the uterus that connects to the vagina. It acts as a barrier, helping to prevent bacteria and viruses from entering the uterus. D. The epididymis is a coiled tube attached to the testis. Its function is to store and transport sperm as they mature and become capable of fertilizing an egg. 2. How are the following parts adapted to their functions? A. Uterus. B. Testes. C. Fallopian tube. A. The uterus is adapted to its function of supporting and nourishing a developing fetus through a thick, muscular wall that expands during pregnancy to accommodate the growing fetus. It also has a lining that thickens in preparation for a potential pregnancy, and sheds during menstruation when pregnancy doesn't occur. B. The testes are adapted to their function of producing and storing sperm in a variety of ways. They are located outside the body in the scrotum to maintain a lower temperature necessary for sperm production, have a dense network of tubules that produce sperm, and are hormonally regulated to produce mature sperm. C. The fallopian tube is adapted to its function of transporting the egg from the ovary to the uterus and providing a site for fertilization. It is lined with cilia that help move the egg towards the uterus, has a muscular layer that allows for peristaltic movements to transport the egg, and provides secretions that nourish the egg and sperm. 3. Name the part of the female reproductive system where each of the following processes occurs. A. Fertilization. B. Gametogenesis. C. Copulation. A. Fertilization occurs in the fallopian tube. B. Gametogenesis, formation of gametes, occurs in the ovary. C. Copulation, sexual intercourse, occurs in the vagina. 4. What is the role of seminal vesicles? The seminal vesicles are glands located near the prostate gland and the base of the bladder in males. Their role is to secrete a fluid that makes up a significant component of semen. This fluid is rich in fructose, amino acids, and other substances that provide energy and nutrients to sperm, and help to protect and nourish them as they travel through the female reproductive tract during ejaculation. The secretion from the seminal vesicles also helps to neutralize the acidic environment of the vagina, which can be detrimental to sperm survival.